Mad skills.
This one coming towards you. Whoa, wolf fish.
What is that?
Wow, careful. That's a mad fish.
Yeah, it is.
Running wild.
What do we think this is right here?
Monster picker.
No way.
Yep.
You think? Small caiman.
Look. That's a leopard tiger. Leopard. Leopard catfish. Leopard catfish. Whoa. Uh-huh. We're doing everything this afternoon. Everything. Leopard catfish. There you go. Oh. Wow. God damn. My hand is scratching.
Oh.
My hand is scratching here. Something. No, she'll make.
Woo! Look at that thing.
Look at that thing, that monster. Here's your catfish on a fly, Sarah.
Look at that! Catfish on a fly rod.
On a fly rod.
Can you like...
No.
So hold him up in the sun. Don't get stung. Are you going to eat him or we'll throw him back?
If you want to eat it. What? Yeah. No, sorry. Wow, look at that.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm. It looked like yummy.
Look at those things on the front. Can you face them towards me? Look at that. Wow. That is a wild looking creature.
I see it looking like a Georgia.
That is truly amazing. Yeah. No, I don't see it. Oh, wait, there I see it.
Up the river.
What do you mean?
Chip, 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 chip. Come into what you hit it now.
Ha ha. Ha 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 ha. You don't get to go in there. Ha ha. Ha.
Maybe we'll fish.
No way.
Yep.
We actually did it. Are you sure? Yes. Baby wolffish. No way.
You see that?
Look at that. Are they like a carp?
Careful, you see?
What?
No, the teeth, what they have.
The teeth?
Tits.
The teeth or the teeth? Oh yeah, they do have teeth. Baby wolffish. He's a little baby. Sweet.
Different type of fishes. Whoop.
I put him back. A wolffish.
Wolffish?
A wolffish.
That's a wolffish.
Nice. Nice.
Now that's a fish.
Oh, fuck off.
Dude, fish. My first time, Maro.
Whoa. Are they good eating or something?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Just
Nice.
Pliers? Pliers.
Oh, look at who caught that fish. Big piranha. Big piranha. Big pro. That is a piranha. Oh man. Woo! That's a big piranha. Look at that thing.
You said you wanted to get the piranha on the fly, right?
I caught a piranha on the fly. That is a legit piranha.
On a fly.
On the fly. That'll eat your face right off. Wow. He's on it. It's a piranha. Fighting different. Yep. Get over there. You can tell by the way they fight. What's that now?
That'll change everything.
Yeah. This is why you need synthetics. This is a... Oh! Oh! Are they hard to hook or something? They're tough? That was a nice one. What's the emotion right now?
Pissed off.
Because it broke off?
Yeah.
That's alright, we'll get another one. We'll get another one.
That's not the problem.
Oh, we lost our shit?
Lost the fly.
They'll only eat a certain fly?
See the fly tie? Not just like the moss there, right?
Huh?
So, like the green down there, darkest green. See the dark green on the moss?
Yeah,
The moss.
yeah,
Fly look just like that, right?
yeah.
So look like drifting out, so they're coming.
That's not a pacu. That's not a pacu. No, it's not. It's something else. What is that? Pacu cousin? Katabak? Pretty awesome. Another kutibak. Katabak. Damn it. What the fuck? Wow. I was sleeping.
Swordfish giving you advice.
Yeah.
You are not focusing.
Focusing on other stuff, that's all. Sheesh.
He doesn't want to hear it.
Thank you.
Take the...
Oh. Fish flew in like a goddamn raptor. What the hell was that? Swordfish? Oh my god, that was amazing. Oh! Ah! That's twice! Oh! That I got a bite on. Yep. See? Oh shit! Piranha. Oh no. Blacktail. Cookie. You want to keep it? I thought they were delicious. I thought they were really tasty. Kevin's been like desperate to catch them so he can eat them. Seriously, he loves them. Let me see that thing. Coochie?
Yeah.
Cookie. Coochie. What's it called?
Kuti.
Cootie. Cootie. I knew that. Cootie. Yeah, tail.
A little bit of red.
Yeah. You gonna keep him?
Yeah.
Yep, dinner.
Guyana.
Back on that one.
Oh, just stop spinning with you.